Training your dog to heel, walking calmly beside you without pulling, is one of the most useful obedience skills. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to teach your dog to heel in a positive and effective way. Before you start training your dog to heel, make sure you have the right gear. Use a regular 4 to 6 foot leash instead of a retractable one, as it gives you better control. A flat collar or a front clip harness works best because it's comfortable and helps prevent pulling. This updated dog harness is designed for easy use, featuring 3 buckles, 1 lockable buckle on the neck and 2 on the chest, so there's no need to slip it over your dog's head. Begin your training in a calm, quiet place where there aren't many distractions. A peaceful area like your living room, backyard, or a quiet corner of a park is perfect. This helps your dog stay focused on you instead of getting distracted by other people, animals, or smells. Once your dog gets better at following your commands, you can slowly move to busier areas. Before you begin training, decide which side you want your dog to walk on. However, you can choose the right side if that feels more comfortable. The key is to be consistent. Start by holding a treat in your left hand, close to your dog's nose, to guide them into the correct heel position. Say your cue word, heel, and take a few steps forward while keeping the treat near your leg. When your dog walks beside you calmly, praise them and give the treat as a reward. At the beginning, reward your dog often, every few steps, to keep the training fun and motivating. Once your dog starts to understand what heel means, slowly increase the number of steps you take before giving a treat. Use an encouraging tone, such as saying "good heel," to let your dog know they are doing the right thing. Keep your pace steady and your attitude positive so your dog stays engaged and enjoys learning. As your dog gets better at heeling, start adding turns and stops to make the training more complete. When you turn left or right, encourage your dog to stay close to your side and reward them for keeping up with you through the turn. This teaches your dog to pay attention to your movements. Always praise and reward your dog for staying beside you during turns and stops to reinforce good behavior. Once your dog can heel well in a quiet place, start practicing in areas with more distractions, such as your driveway, a nearby park, or along the sidewalk. This helps your dog learn to focus on you even when there are other people, smells, or noises around. With patience, consistency, and plenty of praise, your dog will soon master the heel command and enjoy calm, focused walks by your side.